Hello everyone. Today we are going to be talking about how to calculate CPI. Right here in front of us we have a typical CPI calculation problem. The problem goes as follows. The typical household in Brown Boy City buys 10 books, 8 oranges, and 15 apples each week. The prices of the goods are in the following table.
So year 2016, the cost of one book is $10, the cost of one orange is $3, and the cost of one apple is $2. 2017, the cost of one book is $20, cost of one orange is $6, cost of one apple is $4. In 2018, the cost of one book is $25, the cost of one orange is $6, and the cost of one apple is $5.
So below we have the problems. So first is calculate CPI in 2018 using 2017 as the base year. So what is the base year? The base year is the year that is compared with the other years, 2016 and 2018 in our case, to derive the CPI. So, the formula to calculate CPI is cost of year divided by cost of base year, which is, in this case, 2017, multiplied by 100. We chose 2017 as our base year, as 2017 is right in the middle between 2016 and 2018. So, as you can see, we already filled in the spot for CPI for 2017, the base year. A general rule that usually comes with the base year is that it will always have a CPI of 100. To show this, we will be calculating. So, we take the cost of the book, which is $20, and we multiply it by the quantity. So that is 220 times 10. Then we add the orange cost, which is $6 times the quantity, which is 48. Then we add, again, for the apples, which is $4 times 15, which is 60. This all equals to 308. So 308 is the cost of the year for the first numerator. So then we get to the denominator, which is the cost of the base year, which is 2017 again. So that is also 308. When we divide these two, we get 1. 1 times 100 is 100, and that's where we get the CPI for the base year.
Okay, so now taking a look at question number A, which asks, calculate CPI in 2018 using 2017 as the base year. So what we have to do in this question is find the total expenditure in a week for 2018, assuming that the household in Brown Boy City purchases 10 books, 8 oranges, and 15 apples each week at these prices. So starting at books, $25 per book times 10 books that they buy is equal to 250. 250 plus for oranges, $6 per orange, and 8 oranges that they purchase, which is equal to 48. And then for apples, it's 5 times 15, which is equal to 75. And so if you sum these up, you get $373, which is the total expenditure for this week in 2018 for this typical household. And so 373 is the total expenditure for the average household in 2018. And if you divide that for the cost of the base year in 2017, which as we calculated before was $308, you get 1.21. And 1.21 times 100 is equal to 121. And that is the CPI for 2018.
So moving on to question B, calculate the CPI in 2016 using 2017 as the base year. So to do that, we're going to use the same process. So let's calculate it again. So what happens is there's 10 books and there's each cost $10, which is 100. 100 plus 3 times 8, which is 24, plus 2 times 15, which is 30. This all equals, or should equal, 154. So 154 is the cost of the year for 2016. So for 2017, like we said before, it's 308. So 154 divided by 308 should equal 0.5. Times that by, multiply that by 100, and we should get 50. And that is our CPI for 2016.